essentially the TAC for the data and analytics products. The team provides level 2 and level 3 support to all our customers and partners.
Hi, my name is Sadia and I'm working for the data analytics group. I'm working as a senior technical support engineer and I'm supporting the data virtualization as well as connected analytics platform
My
products.
name is Uma Vepuchedu. My role is customer support engineer. So I work in the data virtualization suite as well as the connected analytics suite.
My name is Don Burnham. I'm a technical account manager with the data and analytics group with Cisco. I'm part of the support organization.
My name is Dan Brandon. I'm a customer support engineer at Cisco on CIS product, data virtualization.
My name is Ajay Mundra and I'm a Cisco customer support engineer.
I think the job is no way boring because every day there's something new to learn, and that's what I love about my job. Okay. If it's not technical, then it's something interpersonal skills, time management. There's so much to learn that every day is a new day.
Experience, and we solve complex customer problems day in and day out.
Number one, I'm never bored.
I think the product, the team, that totally keeps you on the edge, drives you to learn something new every day.
We are the problem solver. We are the superheroes who solve customer problems.
I enjoy keeping my hands in the technical side of it, but also guiding the customer as a partnership with them to ensure that we can be successful and get them the best value they can out of their data virtualization software and our products.
It depends on the business requirements of the customer. You need to understand the customer requirements. You need to kind of empathize with them because of the tight deadlines. There is always like two teams working in making a deployment successful. One being from the support side, Cisco, and from the other side there is the customer team who is actually working towards tighter deadlines. So we need to kind of understand their requirements, not just in terms of technical aspect of it, but also kind of empathize with where they're at.
Because when we are building the product, we are building it for real customers, real people. It's not fancy wishful thinking. So customer service is the best way to find out what the greatest challenge is for our customers. Solving those challenges is important for us.
We provide 24/7 by 365 follow the sun model to all our customers and partners. The customers can access and engage with us either online via email, or they can just pick up the phone and call us. We are always there for them. Somebody's on shift working as we provide 24/7 support. So now once they get access to us, either they are having a product issue, which means they want to log a support ticket with us, or they're just looking for some information online, for example, a knowledge base. If they're trying to self-service, they'll go to the online knowledge base and try to find the answer right there. They can download the software if they're planning to upgrade, for example. And then in addition, we also have a support community. It's a private community only for our data and analytics customers, where they can subscribe to the community and they can participate in live discussions. So instead of logging a support ticket, they can simply post a question, and somebody either from Cisco or any customer who has run into that particular scenario can respond. So that's another way to deflect the case volume and ultimately get the answer to the customer a lot faster.